Welcome to On the Couch with Nathan and Laurence, where every time we discuss one different topic. And today we'll be discussing about why we moved to Bali. So we both started out in China, where we had jobs, and for 3 years we thought we enjoyed them. But then at one point we had this car crash on our way to Thailand before we reached the airport. And while it was supposed to be an escape from the busy lives that we had in Shanghai, we actually came to the realization that it was more of a wake-up call for us, where we realized that we weren't really happy with what we were doing in China. So we were working for someone else, and
we still had a good life and we still loved China and living there, but it was just like the job every day that got us a bit meh. And I don't know, once we were in that car crash, all of a sudden I started hating living there, but also loving it. But I mean, like,
we do miss it.
We do miss it a lot.
We miss Shanghai. Shanghai is an amazing city.
But all of a sudden I was like done with it, and I wanted to go. I wanted to leave Shanghai and China, like, altogether, and just go back.
And we just didn't feel like working for someone else anymore. We came at this point in life where we had something like, you know what, we always talk about trying something ourselves and working more towards our creative nature and starting our own business, but we never really did that. So we
never just thought about it either, because once you start having a job, you go to work every day, and that's it. Yeah,
it's very easy to get comfortable with just your daily routine,
and it's normal. It just becomes a routine. So you stop thinking about, things that might be different, could be different.
So that's why we moved to Bali, because first we were actually looking for a couple of locations online, and then we came across Bali, where we saw so many different digital nomads working in. Yeah. That kind of screamed opportunity for us, because we wanted to be surrounded with like-minded people, and we kind of wanted to escape the city, because it was
very crowded, very busy all the time. So many things around you.
There was just no way to
relax,
to just get away from it all. Or you'd have to book a flight somewhere. But if you have a job, then in China, you're limited to Chinese holidays, which is when all Chinese people go on holiday. And that means expensive tickets, a lot of crowds,
millions.
So in the end, it was always kind of a struggle between work and free time that got us a bit, overloaded.
And Bali seemed like the place to go, like the perfect hub to go to if you want to start making money online, if you want to, find something new in life.
Chase new opportunities, work on your creative side.
Meeting like-minded people as well. Because we went to Bali on holiday before we moved there, and we thought, so nice, it's beautiful here, rice paddies everywhere, there's the sea over there and the rice paddy there, so many volcanoes there, so cool, and so many nice and lovely like-minded people there as well. So we thought, we have to move there, we have to go there, it'll be awesome, we'll be motivated to do so many things.
And that's true, because we did get to work with some companies, which is really cool.
But slowly, something started
gnawing at
us. So,
we missed the city life.
Yeah, we came to the realization that Bali wasn't really something we liked, or was something for us. Like, it was too laid back, too relaxed.
And you're very stuck in one location unless you decide to travel all over Bali. But then you're doing a completely different thing, because you have a lot of traffic, and everywhere you want to get to, it's either by car or by scooter. Walking
is impossible.
It's hard.
There's no public transport.
It's dangerous to walk on the street.
We came from Shanghai, which is like super convenient. Like, you want something, you get it. You want something, you buy it online, and it's there within 1 hour.
You need public transport, it's there every 2 minutes.
Everywhere. And I don't know, we kind of missed that convenient lifestyle. And then it felt like going back in time a bit, like technology-wise, living-wise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, why we moved to Bali was to escape the city lifestyle, to work on our own plans, to get busy with our creative side and meet new like-minded people, chase some opportunities, learn what we really want to do in our own lives and what we want to work towards. And while we did all of that, eventually we moved out because Bali was not for us.
No.
And now we're in KL.
Yeah, Malaysia.
Yep.
A new big city, which reminds us of Shanghai, so very happy with that decision.
Definitely. So that's it, why we moved to Bali.
For those who were wondering and asking us, that's what we've been doing.
And let me know in the comments, or let us know in the comments what you'd like to see more. So see you next time for another On the Couch with Nathan and Laurence.
Bye.
Bye.